Hey guys, welcome to our video. So, apologies in advance if my voice sounds kind of busted. I have been sick recently and I feel good enough to record, but my voice is still kind of so apologies. But I wanted to unbox G3 Cleo. I got her for Christmas, which is when I am recording this, but it's scheduled a while out because I am attempting to do a video every Friday. So that means recording when I feel up to it, editing and scheduling out, and that is what is currently happening, and I've been doing pretty good actually, so we'll see how long this can last. I hope I can do it for a good long while because it's really cool for me to do that. We'll see. Right now it's been a lot of doll content, but I'm hoping to get some other things as well. But, yeah. Oh, Cleo's so pretty. And I like her a lot more than I initially thought when I first saw her, because fun fact, the first time I saw her there was an image leak of her in her box of everything quite a while before like the new line was announced, and I remember I did like her. I liked her face sculpt and everything, but I absolutely did not like her shoes, because ignore the fact her bag's not here. It's right here. But in the image, you couldn't see the fact that they're detailed and stuff, so it looked like one solid hunk of plastic. Like, okay, it is one solid hunk of plastic, but like it was smooth, and then there was just this random orange, which the random orange still doesn't make sense to me. But seeing these in picture, I was like, absolutely not. Like, the rest of her outfit is so cute. Like, I'm not sure how I feel about the headband. It's not bad, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. But the shoes had me feeling a certain type of way for the longest time. But then I saw someone review her, and I actually got a better view of the shoes, and I was like, oh, those are not as bad as I thought. They're actually really cute once you notice the details. And after that, I warmed up quite a lot to her, especially because her face is so beautiful. She's just gorgeous. And, you know, that's kind of to be expected from Cleo, because she is a gorgeous doll in general. And that's not opinion. That's a fact. Okay, I'm joking. But he has a lot of gorgeous dolls, and it's not surprising that her G3, one of her, is so stinking pretty. And I got interrupted, but like I was saying, she is a gorgeous doll in general, because let me show you. Just look at her. Look at this beautiful, even G2 is actually kind of pretty, but beautiful lady. Just look at her. She's stunning. Just absolutely stunning. She can't be beat. Okay, well, she might be able to be beat, but it's hard. She has a lot of beautiful dolls. So I was not surprised that she's gorgeous. The only one I wasn't the biggest fan of was the haute couture one, and it wasn't because of herself, but the outfit, mainly because it just didn't feel like a cohesive outfit to me. A lot of people love it, and good for them, but there was a reason besides money that I wasn't even tempted to buy her. I did kind of like Laguna, and a lot of people didn't like Laguna, so who am I to talk? But I did love her face for haute couture. But I liked the faces in general of the haute couture dolls, so that was kind of to be expected. It was just, the look wasn't really there for me, especially comparing it to the other ones that were in that line. It just didn't feel on the same level to me, but other people disagree, and that's fine. We all are just people with opinions on pretty pieces of plastic, so you know, we're allowed to have differing opinions. I still like her, just wasn't in love with her, but this one I do love. I love her to bits, and I'm struggling to get the pieces of plastic out of her head. I hate these things. I hope they get rid of them, or make them easier to get out, because they are ridiculous. But, oh my goodness, she's almost free. She's almost free. Come on, Cleo. Come on, Cleo. There. And yoink. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love that they actually gave her mummy wraps. So she'll always have them. She has them on this leg and this arm, and I don't know about like if she has it on her body or not, but it's so cool that they actually have them included. She comes with this headband, and it actually looks nicer in person than it did in the image. And I like it a lot more than I like Dracula's headband. I don't like Dracula's headband on her basic outfit. It just feels bulky and not in the cute way. But that's just my opinion. I still love her doll though, but this one actually, you know, seems scaled for this doll, it feels like. She has gorgeous kind of yellow gold eyeshadow with blue. It's kind of like gold, blue, gold, blue. I don't really know how to describe it besides that. And it's so pretty with a gorgeous red lip with a little gold bit right here. You can see that on camera even far away. She has these big ol' triangles that I think are supposed to be pyramids. And this statement necklace. And I actually really love this statement necklace. I don't know where the green came from, but it makes more sense than the orange. Like, okay, do you see orange anywhere else? That's my main gripe. Do you see orange anywhere else on the stall. Like, it'd make more sense if it was red or that green color. If they wanted to do a different color than, like, gold, blue, etc. At least then it's elsewhere on the doll. You know, it makes sense to me why I don't like it, okay? It just doesn't make sense. But they're still really nice. Really detailed necklace of a green gem, a blue, I think it's a scarab. I'll give you a closer look at the end, and another blue gem, and a beautiful kind of belt with the, I think it's called the Eye of Ra. Forgive me if I am wrong, but it's beautiful, and has these like little, I don't know what they are. They're not chain. They look like almost beads or stones. It's honestly really pretty. And her dress is a pretty, not thick material, but decently thick. Kinda, definitely just the kind that you'd say, oh yeah, that's doll clothes. Because it feels kinda plasticky, but it's not horrible. And I love the print. And sorry if you hear my family members. The baby has been grumpy all day. He just woke up grumpy, and you know, I think he just woke up way too early and is probably overly tired even despite having a nap. But back to Cleo. The print is really beautiful, and I love that they actually lined it with a pretty gold ribbon as well. And here's a look at her shoes. They're kind of like mummy wrapped ones with gold details, and the blue and the orange. And they kind of have a cane. I don't know what the cane is called there, or if it's just a cane, because I know I've seen it in hieroglyphs and stuff, but I don't know its name. But they're really detailed and really pretty. Let me get her on one of my Jumon stands, because I found those. Excuse you. Whenever I have my home place and I can set these up permanently, these are getting glued. But oh, she's so pretty. Let's have her sit right there. She's casting a shadow, but I don't mind. She can do that. She can overshadow me, that's fine. Here's Tut, her pet. I do kind of miss a little snake, not gonna lie, but Tut is very cute as well. Also, her phone is like a little Anubis. That is so cute. Tut, you're not supposed to escape. Please and thank you. And getting her jacket. Here is her jacket. It's a lot like the one that is on the Haute Couture one. Just, I expect that one's probably better high quality material and stuff. But I also remember not really liking the jacket. Mainly because it just felt kind of out of place with this outfit. But I don't dislike it as much as I used to, and I need to stop dropping things. Oh my goodness. It has this cool, like, ribbon fringe, and is kind of like a mummy wrap, which is super cool. Sorry, I had to take a sip of water. This is like the 5th or 6th video I filmed today, and that is not helping my voice. But I am almost done for the day, so I'm just gonna keep on trucking so I can get them edited. And yoink! She has these kind of cool, but also kind of weird looking glasses. Not weird as in bad, just different. And she has this little makeup compact, which is in the shape of diamond, and it opens. Let's see if I can open it. Come on, I know you open. You're not that hard to open. It's like a blush and eyeshadow palette. Super cute. I won't recommend opening and closing that too often though, because the hinge is really thin and kind of weak plastic. Like, she kind of has this Anubis cup, and I don't know what it's called. It's similar to a urn, but it's called something different, I think. But it's really cool. The lid comes off. This bit is kind of like money. Why do I keep on saying money instead of money? Mummy. Can you tell I've been filming too long? I've been filming too long. But it's mummy wrapped, and oh my goodness, it has little Anubises on the gold part. I haven't seen anyone point that out. Like, maybe they have, but the videos I've seen, no one's pointed that out. That's so cool. And she has a mummy wrap, which is so cute. So I'm gonna get things set up so we can get a closer look at this lovely lady and her things. Oh, I almost forgot her bag. So we can get a closer look at her things, and then we'll be done. And here's a close-up of Cleo. You can see the eyeshadow. It looks super cool. I've never seen him do a look like that. And here's a close-up of the headband. What's really cool is the back also has this detail, just not painted in. And I just noticed it has little grooves on it. Here's a closer look at her earrings and her necklace, which I think is super cool. And let me move her hair so we can get a better look at her dress. Super cool. And here's a better look at the scarab. It's kind of hard to see, but it's there. Oh, there is orange. Still not enough for me to say they should have put orange on shoes, to be honest. But here's the Eye of Ra, the stones, bead, medallions, whatever you want to call those. The belt has the long little loop-de-loop. Okay, it doesn't loop-de-loop, but it goes woo. And here's a better look at the shoes. Moving over here, we have Tut with his cute folded over ear. Oh my goodness. So precious. And he's being dramatic. Okay. Okay. And here we have a better view of the jacket and her phone. Just amazes me how detailed these are. And you can even see the ears over here. Here's a little compact, which is super cute. Here's the little Anubis coffee cup thing. And let me see. You can there you can see it. The little Anubis on the cup. That is so cool. Here's the mummy wrap. The glasses. And a better look at this, since I almost forgot to show you guys it. It has these cool kind of like feathers, I think, up here. Studs, scarab beetles. It looks kind of like, I think, wrapping underneath it. It's like a little triangle and opens. This would have been easier to show the other way, but it should open. Yeah, I can't open it one-handed. Had to open it off screen. It's kind of hard to open, to be honest, or at least it was for me, but it can open. You can actually put stuff inside. Obviously, you won't want open makeup in your purse, but, well, backpack, I mean, but see, you can put stuff in there. That one may not be able to fit, but it's just to show that you can put in there, which is really cool. Anyway, despite the bumps in the road, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed getting to see a closer look at this lovely lady. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.